Hello and welcome back. We now take an example from differentiation. We have been given x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. So variable x is expressed in terms of t and y is also expressed in terms of t. So this is actually the parametric form and we have to obtain dy by dx. So let us consider the first equation, that is x is equal to 80 square. So if we differentiate with respect to the parameter, that is dx by dt, the derivative would be a times, now derivative of t squared is 2t. So we have dx by dt is equal to 2at. Now we consider y. Y is equal to 2at. Again differentiating y with respect to the parameter, that is dy by dt, we obtain 2a is the coefficient and derivative of t is 1, and hence dy by dt, the value is 2 times a. So we have dy by dt and dx by dt. So therefore dy by dx is calculated as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now dy by dt is 2a, dx by dt is 2at. Now we could cancel off 2a with 2a. So final answer is 1 upon t, and the answer to this question is option A.